D's just sitting there, like, you know, let's get up all in there.
I'm calling D in here. Hi, D.
No.
Oh, yeah.
No, don't do this. You know how he makes it. Dylan.
Cucumber.
Yes, we get it. A cucumber. Hi, Grammy.
Hi, Carolyn.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Dylan.
D.
Yes, baby.
Hi, D. Did you find the lid to the applesauce yet?
No, where is it?
I don't know. I've been looking for it for like all this time.
Dylan.
Yes?
Go in the other kitchen and look for me, baby.
The kitchen. We look for the applesauce. I don't see applesauce. No, I don't see no lid.
No?
Nope.
No lid for what?
For the applesauce.
Yeah, it's over here somewhere. You